Hello, thank you for watching. Elise makes a bunch of videos, so today I'm just gonna do a quick renovation update. Might be one of my last ones since mostly everything's done. Now, the major stuff. So this is the kitchen. This stove went in, and then now there's this fridge that was a white fridge before. So that's all done. I think that table I showed you before. I'm not sure if I said anything about this sofa that's there now. It's like a red leather sofa sort of deal like that. They just have this blanket over it so that it doesn't get ruined. Yeah, so that's there, and then this is all in this corner now. There's a bunch of stuff that needs to be put away over here. So some of that needs to go into the storage space and some of it needs to go into this hallway closet area, which is mostly empty because tomorrow morning the plumber is going to finish with whatever is going on here with that and those taps. Apparently it does work just now because it's sort of hooked up, but hasn't been used yet. So anyways, the washer and dryer is hooked up. Those taps just need to be replaced. Nothing else has really happened in the bathroom, bedroom, so I won't even bother with that. But yeah, that's it. I guess this is where the cabinet bed will be, and that's the TV, that box. Just a bunch of random stuff that's mostly going in that closet or in storage, like I said. The plants are here now, so there's that. And that cactus in the corner there. So yeah, everything's coming together, and all of that is just kitchen stuff. There's going to be a cabinet there for all the sort of dishes that don't fit in the rest of this kitchen area, and then the drawers are in, but all the handles for the drawers and cupboards need to be put back on, and then the actual cupboard doors need to be obviously put back on up here. But all this is done, all of that, it's all in now. And I think this dishwasher still needs to be hooked up, but it's there, now it's in place. So once the cupboard doors are on the kitchen and the handles are on them, then that will pretty much be the kitchen done. So that's exciting. That was sort of the last thing. And then, yeah, the only last things to purchase is the cabinet that's going to go here, and then the other cabinet that will be a cabinet bed over there, so that if they have people over, they can stay there. And then the TV will be mounted above. So it's just in a box right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then the old fridge and stove are just here now outside. And we'll take a little look. I finished sort of the yard for the season, and they're going to redo it with tiles later, but we'll just take a quick look. Yeah, so that's all done. This is, yeah. And then this is just the old fridge and stove, just sort of out here with all the random things. But yeah, I sort of moved these stones and made like a drainage that goes down this way that you can't see now, that's covered with mulch, and this little side garden which I filled with sort of seaweed and leaves and stuff, but I don't think they're actually going to keep it as a garden, so I'm not putting a huge amount of effort into it. They're probably just going to, like I said, like tile over that whole area next summer. But for now, it's weird because it was really bad drainage and there was just puddles everywhere. So now that we have the mulch and raised the path, there's no more puddles, so they can get through the winter without any major issues. So yeah, that's it. That's the kitchen done. The new countertops, which are like this sort of tiley stuff there, and everything's moved in, or it's in here. It's not put away necessarily where it will be forever, but yeah, it's pretty much a full working place now, other than a few pieces of furniture missing, or not quite put back together with the doors and stuff. But yeah, that's all the major stuff. The only thing left is the doors for the closets in the hallway and the bedroom. But that's not really a big deal because that's more cosmetic. So yeah, that's the renovation update. Hope you enjoyed and have a good one. Peace.